Hi, I read an article recently talking about that carbon mat did not provide structural strength, but fiberglass was better. So what I did is I thought I would compare a couple different ways of strengthening balsa. This is a half inch by half inch raw. This is half inch by half inch with a piece of carbon fiber epoxied to it using 5-minute epoxy. And the epoxy is about an hour and a half old, so hopefully the epoxy doesn't let go, but we'll find out. And then this is carbon mat glued on with CA. I'll call it the Bill Wurwidge method. And I only did 3 sides of it just to find out how it would stack up compared to raw and extra strong. I'm going to be using this luggage scale, which is not very accurate, but hopefully it'll be consistent from one type to the next. I know that I put a 5-pound weight on it and it showed it at about 3.5 pounds. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to break some wood. Okay, I have first a piece of raw balsa suspended across these 2 blocks. I am putting the luggage scale in the center of it and I'm going to start pulling down, and I wonder if I'm going to pull the blocks over or if the balsa is going to snap. So we're hitting about 5 pounds, and there it goes at about 4.5 pounds. Okay, next is the carbon mat. This is the 5-ounce carbon mat, again CA'd on 3 sides, and we're pulling down. We are at about, oh, I can hear it cracking, 2, 3, 4, 5, just shy of the 5-pound mark, and the carbon mat is broken. Okay, and now for the epoxied piece of carbon fiber, and I'm going to be running it side to side rather than top or bottom. And again, this is only about an hour, maybe only an hour old. It's still slightly soft, so we'll see what happens with it. It's not cracking at all yet. There's our 5. Now again, this is probably actually about 10 pounds because it's not very accurate. And that feels like it's about almost 20 pounds there, but we're at the 10. We're still going. Oh man, that might be about 25, the 15 mark. You know, I guess I need to break it. Let's keep going. There's 15. I hope I don't throw these blocks off my desktop. I'm going to put my other arm on top of it. Okay, here we go again. 20, 25. Ugh. And that was with not fully cured epoxy. You can see the carbon fiber, totally ripped out of the balsa, but it looks like it did take balsa with it. It did rip the balsa surface off with it. So just epoxied on the side, we were hitting 25 on here, which I'm thinking is probably more like, I don't know. It's definitely more than 25 pounds. Okay, hope you enjoyed that test.